from the broader markets. One of them is Blue Star. It's been under pressure. Reported numbers yesterday and the conference call was held today during market hours. Upasana is here with the key takeaways. Upasana?
Well, the stock has recovered a bit after a positive commentary by the company in its con call. The company remains optimistic about growth in FY25 and has maintained its margin guidance for UCP segment at 8.5% and EMP segment at 7.5% for FY25. Now, coming to company's first segment, that is EMP segment, company has highlighted that manufacturing and data center business were the key drivers, and European market continued to remain slow. Now, company is waiting for post-election impact in the US market, and it expects the order momentum to pick up in the next 18 months. Now, coming to company's UCP segment, which mainly comprises of RACs and commercial refrigeration, company says that it was an excellent quarter in terms of RACs, while commercial refrigeration pulled down the overall growth. Now, market share in commercial refrigeration stood at 30% versus 13.7% seen in RACs. Now, coming to the volume growth of RACs first, it stood at 27% for the quarter, and the revenue growth stood at 25% on a YoY basis. Now, RAC industry volume growth was around 17%, and company outpaced this growth by 30%. Now, coming to the key pain, that is the company's commercial refrigeration segment, companies highlighted two main factors that impacted the overall performance. It was mainly due to a growth slowdown seen in the production and sale of water coolers due to major BIS norm changes and delay in the production of new top deep freezers. And the company expects that the commercial refrigeration's hiccups are temporary and things are normalizing October onwards. And lastly, coming to the company's last segment, that is professional electronics, company has highlighted that the supply chain restrictions and uncertainties have resulted in the long delays in order finalization and execution as well. And company expects the growth to revive Q4FY25 onwards.
Thank you so much for that, Upasana. This particular stock under quite a bit of pressure. But moving